Hello everybody, this is Pumps and Weather, doing the first video update for the wet season 2013. Now it's not actually the wet season yet, which is not until the 1st of October. It is now the 23rd of August, so why the update? Well, we got a bit of rain, so I'm here to tell you who got what, where it fell, what it looked like. I've got a lot of replies here on my Facebook page, so I thought, well, I'll go a step further and I'll do a video for you. So here we go. Firstly, I'll go to my weather station software. Here it is, to show you that I've got 5 mil. Now, a lot of people will be saying, well, 5 mil's not much, and you're right, it's not. We normally get over 1.7 meters of rain every wet season. Now, our wet season runs from October to May. It's only August. It's only the 23rd of August today. And in August, we're normally still in the dry season. And the median rainfall in Darwin for August is 0.0 millimeters. So to get anything at all is quite a surprise indeed. BOM predicted the rain as possible showers, so kudos to them, because a lot of people give them stick for it, for their forecast, but they've got it spot on. But I think even they were surprised by how much it actually rained and how widespread it was, because a lot of people got more than the 5 mil that I got, and a lot heavier as well. So I'll show you what I got when I got it, and then I'll go on to what everybody else got in the Darwin and rural area. So if I go to my graphs, open it up, this is the rainfall rate, showing you how heavy it fell. It's not how much it fell, it's how heavy. Good way of showing you when it rained here in Palmerston. So from 9:30, 10 minutes it rained. After midnight, just another 10 minutes, but here's the most of it. This is where it rained the hardest, at about 4:30, and from 4:20 onwards it rained for about 50 minutes straight. If I go to the rainfall today, the 5 mil, that's how much I got, and as you can see, most of it was from 4:30. So that's that. Now, that actually set an August record for me. I've been keeping records for 3 years. I'll go to my website. This is my website here, palmsandweather.noop.org, and I can go down to monthly records, click on that, go through to August, click on that, go down to the rainfall, and here it is, the records that I've set from that rain. As again, it's not really that much rain, but it normally doesn't rain in August, so that's why it's there. Now, it has rained in August. It's not to say it never does. It has, and in fact, yesterday when it rained was actually the 66th anniversary of when Darwin set a record of 80 mil in one day, and it's a record that still stands since 1947. But you can also see here that the longest strike period is in one of my records up to the end of August, 115 days. Now my record actually goes further to 150 days through to the middle of October, so that's why it's still our dry season. So it's quite a surprise to get that. So let's see what everybody else got. I can go back. Now this would normally be a radar picture of BOM, but they're having issues with it, but I can still click on it on my webpage to go through to the 24-hour rainfalls to 9 AM. This is what we're interested in. Highest point was highest falls was 40 mil for Kurama, followed by Liania with 30 mil, followed by the Wharf at 12 mil. Now, up until the end of the movie at the Deck Chair Cinema, it was actually the highest rainfall. Now, why do I mention that? Because right where that arrow is, that's where I was, the Deck Chair Cinema. For those that don't know, that's an outdoor venue, and yes, we got wet. Everyone was rushing to hold pillows and whatever we could grab to hold over our heads. Kids loved it. We watched Despicable Me. Quite a lot of fun. Palmerston here, 4.6 mil for the chase, 4.4 for the top, and that's where I am and got 5 mil. Also noticing, I think this is a new one, a new rain gauge. This is the Howard Springs campus with 0.8 mil. So that's the rain totals that everyone got. Now what did it look on radar? I can go to the weather chaser starting from 2 PM. This is the intensity series. This is showing you how widespread the rain was, starting from here 2 p.m. It increases right up to 4:30 p.m. So let's play that and see how it goes. Now I'll stop it at a couple of key points. One of them being here at 6:40 p.m. raining very hard just west of Darwin River Dam, and now it's only a little spot out off Channel Point, so it's a bit far out, but it's showing that it went brown, which is the highest on the rain rate intensity scale with BOM, and I've never actually seen that before, so I just thought I'd mention that. Happened a couple of times there, which means it's really bucketing down. I'll play that through, have a look where you were to see where it was. For me, this bit coming through, I just got a bit at midnight, so not much there just then. Now you'll see it building here. This is the main bit that everyone got early hours in the morning. Here it comes. So about 4:30 it becomes the heaviest for me, which is right then 4:30. Play that through, and it's all over by about 6 a.m. to 6:30. So that's the intensity. Now, why did it rain? Well, it rained because high pressure system is pushing up some moist air, which has created the rain. We just didn't expect it to be that much. And coming behind it is a lot of dry and a lot of dry wind, basically. So what it's done is a BOM have put out a fire weather warning, which is quite strange, I know, with all the rain that we had, but there will still be dry patches out there, and with the wind and the dry air, if there's any fires, that can be hard to contain. So that's why they've issued the fire weather warning and a fire ban for all of Friday till 5 a.m. Saturday morning. Because Saturday morning, we're going to expect it to be a bit more windier. Even BOM still showing for rain today. How to actually look? Now this is the time lapse from Brisbane Storm Chasers. Now it's still in dry season mode here, so updates are every 5 minutes, and you watch it change through to wet season mode. Thanks for that, guys. But when it's truly the wet season, this will be all lit up with lightning, because if none of you know, Darwin is the lightning capital of Australia. We get the most thunderstorms in Australia, over 80 a year on average, even up to 115. So of course no lightning here. It's still the dry season, but just you wait. So anyway, I'm Palm Some Weather. That's just that little bit that's come through that's created that rain. When our storms really come in, they will be full white as the storm's coming through, and that'd be quite big. So I'm Palm Some Weather. Hope you enjoyed my update. Bye.